Hello, travelers and railway enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world's most fascinating train journeys and uncover hidden gems along the way. Today, we're embarking on an incredible adventure as we take a ride on the legendary Harbin to Vladivostok train, revealing unknown facts that will leave you awe-inspired. Buckle up, because this is a journey you won't want to miss. The starting point. Our journey begins right here in Harbin, China. Did you know that the Harbin to Vladivostok train route dates back to the early 20th century? It was originally established as a vital link for trade and cultural exchange between China and Russia. The Scenic route. As we leave Harbin behind, we're treated to some of the most breathtaking scenery you'll find on any train journey. Rolling hills, pristine forests, and the occasional glimpse of the majestic Trans-Siberian Railway await us. Border crossing. An interesting fact about this journey is that it involves crossing the China-Russia border. When we reach Manchurian, the train undergoes a change of gauge, from the Chinese standard gauge to the Russian standard gauge. This process is quite a sight to behold and is essential for seamless cross-border travel. The Red Arrow legacy. Did you know that the Harbin to Vladivostok train is often referred to as the Red Arrow? This nickname comes from its red and gold livery, which gives it a distinct and iconic appearance. It's a symbol of enduring friendship between the two nations. Culinary delights. One of the lesser-known facts about this journey is the culinary experience it offers. Onboard, you can savor a delightful blend of Chinese and Russian cuisine. From borscht to dumplings, your taste buds are in for a treat. Meeting the locals. The Harbin to Vladivostok train is a fantastic place to meet people from diverse backgrounds. You'll find a mix of tourists and locals, each with their own stories to share. It's a cultural melting pot. Vladivostok arrival. After a journey filled with stunning vistas, cultural exchanges, and delicious food, we've arrived in Vladivostok. This city, known as Russia's San Francisco, is a vibrant hub on the country's eastern coast. Our adventure has come to an end, but the memories will last a lifetime. Ice Festival connection. Here's an intriguing connection. The Harbin Ice Festival, one of the world's largest ice and snow festivals, takes place in Harbin during the winter months. The train journey from Harbin to Vladivostok often coincides with this festival, allowing travelers to witness the stunning ice sculptures and vibrant winter festivities before heading to Vladivostok. Unique border station. As we cross the border, we stop at a unique train station, Cuisine, which is divided in half between China and Russia. Passengers and goods are thoroughly inspected here, making it an interesting stop on the journey, as it embodies the connection and cooperation between the two nations. Vodka tasting. During the journey, you can participate in a vodka tasting session on board. It's not only a delightful way to sample some Russian culture but also an excellent opportunity to meet fellow passengers and share stories while enjoying a traditional Russian beverage. Remote villages. The Harbin to Vladivostok train route passes through some remote and picturesque villages that are not easily accessible by other means. These villages offer a glimpse into the tranquil rural life of both China and Russia, showcasing a different side of these countries. Historical significance. Few know that this train journey played a significant role in history. During the Russo-Japanese War in the early 20th century, this railway line was used to transport troops and supplies, making it a crucial lifeline for the Russian forces stationed in the Far East. Trans-Manchurian Railway. Here's another fascinating tidbit. The Harbin to Vladivostok route is sometimes referred to as the Trans-Manchurian Railway. It's an alternative route to the Trans-Siberian Railway, offering travelers a unique perspective on the vast landscapes of northeastern China and Russia. Wildlife encounters. As we journey through the remote wilderness, keep an eye out for wildlife sightings. This route is known for occasional glimpses of Siberian tigers, Amur leopards, and other endangered species that call this pristine wilderness home. The Harbin connection. Harbin is not just the starting point of this journey, it's also a fascinating city with a unique history. Did you know that Harbin was once a hub for Russian expatriates? The city still bears traces of Russian influence in its architecture, culture, and even its cuisine, making it an ideal place to begin this cross-border adventure. The Harbin Zoo stop. As the train departs Harbin, it passes by the Harbin Zoo. Here's an interesting fact. The zoo has a special train viewing platform, where visitors can watch the Harbin to Vladivostok train go by. It's a fun way to catch a glimpse of this iconic journey, connecting China and Russia. The Harbin to Vladivostok train journey serves as more than just a mode of transportation. It symbolizes the bridge between China and Russia. It's a testament to the enduring friendship and cooperation between these two neighboring nations. Cultural performances. During the long journey, passengers can enjoy traditional Chinese and Russian cultural performances in the entertainment car. It's a unique opportunity to experience live music, dance, and even folktales, enhancing the cultural richness of the trip. The Harbin steam locomotive. Back in the day, steam locomotives were commonly used on this route. Today, there's a preserved Harbin steam locomotive on display at the Harbin Railway Museum, reminding us of the era when steam trains ruled the rails. Time zone changes. Here's a fun twist. As you travel eastward on the Harbin to Vladivostok journey, you'll cross multiple time zones. Make sure to adjust your watch accordingly to stay on track with the local time in each region you pass through. Vladivostok's seaside charm. Vladivostok, our final destination, is not only known for its bustling urban life but also its beautiful seaside location. It's Russia's largest port on the Pacific Ocean, offering stunning views of the sea and numerous opportunities for water-based activities. The icebreaker train. During the winter months, when the Amur River freezes over, a special icebreaker train is used for the journey. It's equipped with reinforced cars that can break through the thick ice, ensuring a unique and thrilling experience for passengers. Trans-Siberian Railway connection. Many travelers might not realize that the Harbin to Vladivostok train journey is closely linked to the world-famous Trans-Siberian Railway. In Vladivostok, you can connect to the Trans-Siberian Railway, opening up a plethora of travel opportunities across Russia and beyond. Historic significance. During the Russian Civil War, the Harbin to Vladivostok train played a pivotal role. It was used to transport thousands of White Russian refugees from Vladivostok to China, saving them from the turmoil of the war. This journey holds a piece of history that many are unaware of. Chinese and Russian passports. As you cross the China-Russia border, you'll need both your Chinese and Russian passports. Passengers often find it fascinating to have these dual passports stamped during the journey, making it a truly unique travel experience. The China Eastern train. The train used for this journey is often operated by China Eastern Railway Corporation. It's known for its punctuality and comfortable sleeper cars, ensuring that passengers have a smooth and enjoyable ride throughout their adventure. Varied wildlife. While passing through remote wilderness, keep an eye out for a diverse range of wildlife. From rare Siberian cranes to red-crowned cranes, this journey provides a chance to spot some of the world's most remarkable bird species. Multilingual conductors. The train conductors on this route are often multilingual, speaking Chinese, Russian, and sometimes even English. This makes communication with passengers from various backgrounds effortless and enriches the travel experience. The Stalinist palaces. As we approach Vladivostok, you'll notice a cluster of impressive buildings that are often referred to as Stalinist palaces. These grand architectural marvels were constructed during the Soviet era and are a testament to the city's rich history. Famous passengers. Believe it or not, some famous historical figures have taken this journey. People like Vladimir Lenin and Joseph Stalin are rumored to have ridden this train during their revolutionary days. It's incredible to think about the history that this train has witnessed. Unusual souvenirs. When you arrive in Vladivostok, you can find unique souvenirs related to the Harbin to Vladivostok train journey. One of the most unusual is a railway spike, which you can purchase as a memento of your adventure. Ice fishing stops. In the winter months, the train occasionally makes stops near frozen lakes, where passengers can try their hand at ice fishing. It's an unexpected and delightful activity that adds a touch of adventure to the journey. Changing landscapes. As we progress on this journey, you'll notice the landscape changing dramatically. From the lush forests near Harbin to the rugged coastlines of Vladivostok, this train ride takes you through a wide range of environments, each with its own unique beauty. Historical exhibits on board. Some of the train cars are equipped with small historical exhibits that showcase the history of the Harbin to Vladivostok route. These exhibits provide insights into the evolution of this railway and its role in shaping the region. Literary inspirations. Several famous authors have drawn inspiration from this journey, using it as a backdrop for their novels. It's said that the stunning landscapes and cultural interactions along the way have sparked the creativity of many writers. And there you have it, yet more intriguing and lesser-known facts about the captivating Harbin to Vladivostok train journey. I hope you've enjoyed uncovering these hidden gems along the way. If you found this video engaging, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel content. Feel free to leave your comments below with any other train journeys you'd like us to explore next. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, stay curious, and may your travels continue to be filled with wonder.